Ayan guys, a lot of cars. Ayan, nandito naman kami sa Chowking. Papunta namin ng park. Ayan, Park Trail. Ayan po yung mga tindahan na marami po mga kamis everywhere. Ayan, ito po yung park ng Trail.
Open na, you see?
Ayan,
The
open
Trail
na open
Park.
guys.
Adjacent to the Trail Gym is very nice.
Correct.
A lot of very attractive lights.
Correct. Ayan, paliko na naman tayo.
All the lights are working.
Very nice po mga kamis everywhere. Panaderia. Ay, no. Perfect kaayo. Ayan mga guys, Tesco Truck going in Mami Kagolda. Ayan, Agdao Co-op Corporation. Ayan. They have Suzuki, LG, Panasonic, and Sharp. They have police station of Davao Police Station. Correct. Ayan po guys, small gym and municipality of Trail. Correct kong amahong tangkong. Correct, karahay, giukay, og luwag, amang, itlog, balot, diri mga kamis everywhere. Ayan. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys. There are a lot of street food. Ayan, lami-lami ito kaayo. Correct, tara. Daghan yung kayo mapilian mga kamis everywhere. Oh, kabilaan po yung mga tenda dito. Correct. Japanese kaayo. Akara. Kana mga kamis everywhere. Giunahan na.
Mother, mudaog na dyan ka, mother.
Inata, welcome to Miss Everywhere and Mami Kami. Ayan mga ka-guys! Welcome to Mami Okada! Ayan, thank you for watching! Ayan po guys, nandito naman kami mga kamis everywhere ng Davao City. Ayan, si Charles ngayon, sobrang ganda. Wala. Wala, uy.
Ay, dili, katong, isa ka, gabi ba ni Yagis nila?
Ayan mga ka-guys, Mami Brenda is very busy right now. They have a customer service. Ayan. Ayan mga ka-guys, nakikita nyo, ayan. May ginagawa po si Mami Kagolda. Say hi, Charles. Ayan. Thank you for watching, guys. Charles is very nice dress. It's like Indian dress. Ayan mga ka-guys. Thank you for watching. I'm use helmet but I not put it. Right now I'm put it because so very igam. Thank you kamis everywhere ng Davao City. Ayan, Mami Kagolda is here. Bungo yung suot, kimono lagi na yung dress mang Charles. Ayan, thank you for watching guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. I love you so much. Say hi ma'am.
Hello.
Ayan.